Hi explorers, today let's address 3 commonly misused words and learn to use them correctly. First one I have for you, you're going to love this movie. The correct sentence is you are going to love this movie. Here, your is a possessive pronoun meaning something belongs to you, while you are is a contraction of you are. Using the wrong form changes the meaning entirely. Always double check to ensure the right word fits your context. Next one I have for you, the cat hurt its paw. It's without an apostrophe shows possession, whereas it's with an apostrophe is short for it is. Many people confuse these two, but knowing the difference will make your writing clearer. So the correct sentence is the cat hurt its paw. Next one I have for you, they are leaving in the morning. No, misusing these can confuse the reader. So be sure to choose the right one for your sentence. So the correct sentence is they are leaving in the morning. There refers to a place while they are is a contraction of there. Practice these corrections and you will see improvement in no time. See you in next lesson.